when you're in the womb, pre-birth, which is the origins of life, you're originating based on your mother's heartbeats. And it's almost like when you're dying deathbed, if you're lucky and fortunate, a life well lived, you have people around you, families, the chatters, physicians, whatever. If you're alone, you'll be with your heartbeat when you die. So it's almost like the sounds accompany us when we're born and when we die.
Yeah, it's completely true. Out of all your senses, your touch, your taste, your sight, your sound, I think I missed one there, but in any case, the sound is the only one that your brain is actually delegating like a process. Like when you hit Control-Alt-Delete and you look at Task Manager and you're checking out, oh, what are all the processes running? Oh, and that task, I don't need all that extra RAM used.